Corpus Christi University is getting some big recognition from USA Today. A study conducted by the newspaper naming Texas A&M University Corpus Christi third in the top 100 colleges because of its increase in student applications. The university says they've seen a 153% growth in student applications. In fact, the university has grown to more than 12,000 students since 2016. That's just 2 years ago. And President Kelly Quintanilla says the university has a plan to keep that growing.
One of the things that was actually very negative about this university is we kept hearing we were a best kept secret. So we are working very hard to let students know what high quality academic programs.
The university's secret weapon in increasing student applications, making sure students know the university is here by increasing their marketing presence.